Okay, the next question was also from Donna, and she was talking about editing vector properties. And if I'm not mistaken, it had to do with text. And I have, let's just put some color here instead. So if I do have a rectangle, that's or a square, this is a vector. Once I double click on the object, I get this dialog window. So I can change, remove the stroke, change the width, change the color of the fill to something else, change the line style, etc. So I have all those options. If I have a rectangle, if I have a ellipse, symmetric shape, preset shape, or if I have the pen tool and I drew some kind of a path. However, if you do have text, so if I have text here and I accept, if I double click on the text, I'm not getting that dialog window. Instead, I'm getting the cursor that allows me to select the text. And then if I need to change the properties, this is where I change them. So I can change the stroke color. I can change it on top or change it here. So I can change it to pink. I can change the stroke width to 10. I can remove the stroke completely, clicking transparent, or keep it outlined and remove the fill. So this is what happens. But what can also happen is that depending on the project you are working on, you might have right-click and convert the text to curve as maybe a single shape. Notice here that the icon is no longer text. So now it is still a vector, but if you double click, then you get that vector property dialog box because you can't edit the text anymore. You cannot change, you cannot add an E, you cannot change the X with an S. So if you keep it as a text that is editable as text, you can change the words, the characters, the font size, etc., then you don't get the vector property dialog window. But as soon as the text has become another vector that is no longer editable, then you will get that vector property dialog window. Hey there! I hope you found this information helpful. If you're curious to dive deeper and explore more about PaintShop Pro, we've got a wealth of resources waiting for you in our membership area. There, you'll find in-depth classes, workshops, Q&A sessions, and much more to help you enhance your PaintShop Pro and digital scrapbooking skills. Feel free to check it out. The link is in the video description below. Thanks for watching and see you in the campus!